Hello guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see step by step makeup tutorial for beginners. So this look can be achieved in just 10 minutes. So stay tuned and let's get started.
So moisturizer and sunscreen, both of them are very important. So we'll just apply both of them evenly on our face. A nice coat of sunscreen and also moisturizer, and we'll let it rest for 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, we'll apply the lip balm, so moisturize our lips. We'll go ahead with the foundation. We'll evenly spread it out on our face using our fingers, and then after that we will go ahead and blend it out with sponge. So blending is very important, guys. We need to invest some time in blending our makeup. Here we are skipping the use of primer because this is a beginner's tutorial, so we don't want to use so many products. We'll just use the basic important ones. But if you wish to use the primer, you can use it before using the foundation. So we have tried and evenly spread the foundation. It's blended well. If you don't have any dark circles, you can skip the next step, which is going to be the concealer. But if you want to brighten your under eyes, cover your dark circles, then go ahead with the concealer. Also, you can use it wherever you have any marks, such as pimple marks, dark spots, any pigmentation, you can cover it up. But not necessary if you already have a clear skin, no dark circles, so this step can be skipped. Or you can just go with one more layer of foundation and there won't be any need to apply the concealer. And we'll just blend out all our concealer and go ahead with the compact to set our base. Okay. Now we'll go ahead with the eye makeup. We'll use neutral colors, browns, light and dark brown. So we are just going with simple, very simple eye makeup because it is for beginners. So first we are going with a lighter shade of brown and going all over the eyes. And after that we'll just blend it out just to avoid any lines and collection in the creases. So we'll use a blending brush and blend it out. After that we'll use a slightly darker shade and just apply it on the outer crease just to show a small variation of color. So there is a shade difference. And then finally we will go and we will apply a lighter shimmery shade just on the lids. So that will give us a different kind of a look with shimmery inner corners and the lids, and the outer corners will be shades of light and darker brown. And then we'll just blend it out to make it look good. So there are no any patches or anything. Then we'll apply the mascara to complete the look. Eyeliner and kajal. So kajal will be only in waterline, and then we'll go with a blush and highlighter. So you can also use a contour or a bronzer if you feel the need to. We haven't used it here as this is just very basic beginner's makeup. But if you want to add the contour, you can add bronzer as well before this step, before the highlighter and the blush. And finally we'll go ahead with the lipstick. so now we are done. Almost everything is complete, and I'll just add some accessories, and this is the final look. What do you feel, guys? Do like, share
and subscribe to my channel.